Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. So we just fry the tofu for maybe 8 to 10 minutes. Our goal is to make it golden brown. So let's leave that and prepare the sauce for now. So in here I've already added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of liquid seasoning, then I added pepper. Now I'm gonna add sprinkle garlic powder, then let's add oyster sauce. So that's about 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce that we added, and then we just mix it. Mix it until everything is combined. So here I've mixed it properly already, so this is ready. So once the tofu is ready, then we will mix this, and it will only take like 2 minutes, then we're done. So our sauce is ready. Tofu is almost fully cooked or fried. Maybe just 1 more minute because I like it to be more golden brown, like fully cooked. So now this is ready, so we set this aside first. We transfer this in a separate plate because we will use the same oil to saute the spices. But kuhaan na to siya, kailangan na kayang oil. So we set it aside for now. So on the same pan, I left like about 1 teaspoon of oil. That's where we fry the tofu from. And then we will saute the spices. So first, onion. So let's cook it for like 10 seconds. We don't want to burn it. Then we add the rest, so the paprika and the peppers. So we just let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we add back our tofu. Then we just let the flavor of the spices absorb a bit. So let it sit for another minute. Lastly, we add the sauce, so the one we mixed earlier. Then this time you can already turn off the heat. Mix it. It depends. If you want a lot of sauce, you can add more mayonnaise, you can add more mixture sa sauce mo. But I like it like this, like sakto na kayo siya for me. And this is best if you have also like a seasoning plate, so then you would have seasoned tofu. So there. This is now my creamy tofu recipe. Very quick and easy. I think it will just take you like 15 minutes to do it. It's the frying that would take some time, but after that, once the tofu is cooked, you would need another 3 minutes and you're done. Then we serve this.